வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 9 சிவிக்ஸ் யூனிட் 3 ஹியூமன் ரைட்ஸ் லெசன் புக் எக்ஸசைஸ் கொஷின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் அண்ட் ஹையர் ஆர்டர் திங்கிங் கொஷின்ஸ். First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, apartheid was followed by dash. Option A, South Sudan. Option B, South Africa. Option C, Nigeria. Option D, Egypt. So here the correct answer is option B, South Africa. Second one, dash right exercise in the formation and administration of a government. Option A, social. Option B, economic. Option C, political. Option D, cultural. So here the correct answer is option C, political. Third one, a 10-year-old boy is working in a shop. Which right can you use to recover him? Option A, right to equality. Option B, right to freedom. Option C, right against child labor exploitation. Option D, right to freedom of religion. So here the correct answer is option C, right against child labor exploitation. Fourth one, what is the time limit to get the information from RTI Act 2005? Option A, 20 days. Option B, 25 days. Option C, 30 days. Option D, 35 days. So here the correct answer is option C, 30 days. Fifth one, which of the following statements are true? Statement 1, the State Human Rights Commission was established in 1993. Statement 2, it has the power of a civil court. Statement 3, its power extends beyond the state. Statement 4, it can also recommend compensation to victims. Option A, 1 and 2 are true. Option B, 1 and 3 are true. Option C, 1, 2 and 3 are true. Option D, 2, 3 and 4 are true. Here the correct option is not given. The correct answer is statement 1, 2 and 4 are true. Statement 3 is false. Sixth one, consider the following statements. Assertions, rights and duties are the two sides of the same coin. Reason, we have a right to freedom of religions. We have to promote harmony and the spirit of the people of other religions. Option A, both A and R are correct and R explains A. Option B, both A and R are correct but R does not explain A. Option C, A is correct but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is correct. So here the correct answer is option A, both A and R are correct and R explains A. Seventh one, according to the UNO, a child is a person who has not completed the age of dash years. Option A, 12. Option B, 14. Option C, 16. Option D, 18. So here the correct answer is option D, 18. Eighth one, Kailash Satyarthi and Malala have been awarded Nobel Prize for dash. Option A, literature. Option B, peace. Option C, physics. Option D, economics. Here the correct answer is option B, peace. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights contains dash articles. The answer is 30. Second one, the fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution by dash Amendment Act. The answer is 42nd. Third one, the National Human Rights Commission was established on dash. The answer is 12th October 1993. Fourth one, Indian state to implement Women Ancestral Property Act in 1989 was dash. The answer is Tamil Nadu. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, right to vote, political rights. Second one, right to form union, right to freedom. Third one, right to preserve tradition, cultural rights. Fourth one, the Hindu Succession Act 2005. Fifth one, child labor, right against exploitation. Fourth Roman letter, give short answers. Question number 1, what is human right? Question number 2, what are the fundamental rights? Question number 3. What are the child rights defined by the UNO? Question number 4. Write a short note on the right to constitutional remedies. Question number 5. Define POCSO, that is Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. Question number 6. Why do children need special attention? Question number 7. What are the contributions to laborers by B.R. Ambedkar? Question number 8. All are equal before law, but we have enacted a separate law for women. Justify. Question number 9. Write about the right against exploitation. Question number 10. Differentiate fundamental rights and human rights. Fifth Roman letter, answer in detail. Question number 1. Write a paragraph about UDHR, that is Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Question number 2. What are fundamental duties? How would you follow these in your school premises? Question number 3. How does the National Human Rights Commission protect our rights? Question number 4. What are the benefits for workers provided by labor law? Question number 5. How do you enjoy the fundamental rights in your life? Let us see some additional questions for TNPSC. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, UDHR played a crucial role in promoting human rights. Second one, the life of people became meaningful through fundamental rights. Third one, fundamental duties were incorporated in the Indian Constitution in the year 1976. Fourth one, child line in India is 1098. Fifth one, NCW was constituted to safeguard women. Sixth one, which of the following statements are true? Statement 1. The general explanation of human rights by UDHR is not a legally binding document. Statement 2. UDHR has a political and moral importance. The answer is option D. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Seventh one, consider the following statements. Assertion, child marriages should be avoided. Reason, when girls get married earlier, they lose many privileges, thereby affecting the society as a whole. The answer is both A and R are correct, and R explains A. Fill in the blanks. First one, Gandhi was evicted from a first class compartment on the night of dash 7th June 1893. Second one, UNO was established in the year 1945. Third one, UNO was formed after Second World War. Fourth one, in 1994, Dash became the president of South Africa, Nelson Mandela. Fifth one, the milestone document in the history of human rights is Dash, the UDHR, that is Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Sixth one, political rights are given to the citizens by Dash law. Seventh one, the written order from the court or other legal document is called a Dash, writ. Eighth one, protection and promotion of human rights in India is the responsibility of Dash, NHRC. Match the following. First one, A. F.W. de Klerk, President. B. To defend the country, fundamental duty. C. Freedom of speech, fundamental right. D. Recommend compensation to victims, S, H or C. E. Family environment, child right.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.